If you're on the hunt for a powerful yet user-friendly photo editor for your Mac, you might want to check out Pixelmator Pro. But is it really the best option out there, or just another pretty face? Let's dive in. Pixelmator Pro is designed to be a comprehensive image editing tool that combines a sleek interface with robust functionality. Right off the bat, you'll notice how intuitive it feels. The layout is clean and modern, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned pros to navigate. You can perform everything from basic adjustments to advanced edits like layer styles and blending modes. One standout feature is the machine learning powered tools that help with tasks like object removal and image enhancement, which can save a lot of time. However, while it offers a lot of features, some users might find the depth of tools overwhelming at first. Another aspect to consider is its integration with macOS, which allows for seamless use with other Apple applications. But there are some gaps in documentation that could leave users scratching their heads, especially if they're accustomed to more traditional editing software. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Pixelmator Pro is visually appealing, has a user-friendly interface, and offers impressive features like one-click color adjustments and powerful retouching tools. It's also relatively affordable compared to other professional-grade software. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features may feel lacking when compared to heavyweights like Adobe Photoshop, particularly in terms of plugin support. Users looking for extensive customization or specific tools might feel a bit limited here. Additionally, while the software runs smoothly on most Macs, performance can lag with very high resolution images. So while it's great for casual users or those needing solid editing tools without a steep learning curve, professional photographers or graphic designers might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Pixelmator Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking to edit photos on a Mac, especially if you value a clean interface and ease of use. However, if you need advanced features or extensive customization, it might not fully meet your expectations. Still, it's worth giving it a try if you're in the market for a reliable photo editor.